Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply fix Temu app not working. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, simply go ahead first, access your app store, go back, search bar, type in Temu. There we go. Now if your Temu app shows update option instead of open, that means your app is not up to date, and that might be the reason why you have been facing those problems. Simply go ahead, update it, and you're good to go. If in case that doesn't help you, now you have to go back and access your settings and go to search bar and type in Temu and type in storage. Simply scroll down and tap on the show all option. Now go ahead, scroll till you find your Temu app. Go ahead, tap on it, tap on this offload app. Now tap on this offload. This will simply, and that way you will simply be able to offload the app. Now again, tap on this reinstall. This will help out removing all the unnecessary data and storage the app was holding, which was causing for it to work slowly or have those lags and errors. Once you have done those steps, you will be able to simply reuse your app without any errors like that. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.